Oh yeah, what a beautiful time of year it is. Fall colors right around the corner. And the asters and mums and of course the beautiful black-eye Susans are the name of the game now. Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden on West Bowles in Littleton has an unbelievable selection of these beautiful plants. You know, the fresh colors to give you that oomph that you've been looking for the remainder of the season. With nearly everything in the nursery on sale, there are unbelievable deals to be found. And today at 10 a.m., the free class on perennials. They'll be discussing fall planting, transplanting, preparation for winter, and we'll be ready to answer any questions you might bring. When you're at Jared's this week, don't forget to check out the great selection of fountains, bird baths, and yard decor. And what a surprise, they're on sale as well. Remember, whether it's a gift, tools, or fountain, statuary, ponds, flowers, trees, shrubs, or just some great gardening advice, you know you can get it all at Jared's. Stop on by Jared's Nursery Gift and Garden Center. Family-owned business serving you for over 30 years on West Bowles Avenue in Littleton. Open 9 to 7 Monday through Friday and 9 to 5 on Saturday and Sunday.